Hello friends. So today we will see to create a user in Kali Linux. We can use the username. Also we can provide the name of the user so that it will be referenced in the future. So let's start. So first we will see if user is available or not. sudo id and then user name. So we will create the test user. So we can see there is no such users. Okay, so let's create user command is user add and then username test user. Okay, so user is created. So let's give the password passwd then user enter. It will ask for the password. Give the password then re-enter the password. Yep, user is created successfully. So let's try, let's see if user is created sudo id test user. So now we can see user is created and id is 1002. To delete this user delete test username. So user deleted. So let's see if user is available. So we can see there is no such users. Let's see to create user with the description to understand the means why user is created for what reference. So for that command is user add -c for caption. Then you can mention here user created for testing and then username tst user. So I'm taking same name as we have deleted already. So user created. Let's see sudo id user. So again it's assigning the same id as we had deleted the id. So we can use the multiple options there like -c, -d, -e for date on which date it has created. You can mention. So let's give the password, enter a password, re-enter a password. That's it. Thank you.